Hi, everybody. I'm here today talking to Meghan Duffy. She's a professor of ecology and evolutionary biology at the University of Michigan, and she teaches Bio 171, which is an introductory biology course. So thanks for being here today with me, Meghan.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So tell me a little bit about how you originally started thinking about personalized learning, kind of what brought that up for you.
Well, some of it was hearing about eCoach. So one of the first examples I remember hearing was about how, I think it was in a physics course, they used eCoach to give students insight into how early they should be starting their problem sets. And I thought, oh, that would have helped me in college, right? Like I had no idea of how to approach a course and how to study for these large intro STEM classes. We have about 600 students in our course. Unfortunately, I can't interact with them all one-on-one over the course of the semester. And so I really liked that I could take the information that I would give to students if they approached me and make sure that all students had access to it. The sorts of information that I say over and over and over again in one-on-one meetings.
How would you say that eCoach has changed the experience in your course when you think back to before you used it to after you used it? If anything, kind of what's different?
I think we are reaching a lot more students. So in a typical semester, I have 600 students. On a really busy week, 50 of them might come to office hours. That's still less than 10% of the class. What it's changed is it's made it so that everyone in the class has access to information about how to do well in the course, how to approach the course, different aspects of the course. That makes me feel a lot better.
What would you say from what you hear from your students? What are the elements of eCoach that they're most appreciative of?
I think they like exam playbook a lot, and they do recognize that that helps them a lot. And I do a pretty hard sell on exam playbook, but it's supported by the data, so that's part of why we do it. They also love the grade calculator, but I might be exam playbook's biggest fan, so I absolutely love it. They really need help developing the skills for how to study and how to approach an exam. And so I love that exam playbook. So it is tailored to particular courses. So we met with the behavioral science team to say, these are the sorts of things we think students should be doing in order to prepare for an exam in our course. And they can then choose the ones that work for them. They can schedule in time. They have reflections afterwards. After the grades are released, they get a personalized or a tailored message that helps them reflect on how they did. And just giving students a very concrete thing they can do when they reach out to me after exam one and they didn't do as well as they hoped. I can point them to a very specific resource that they can use and where there's data showing it does improve their performance in the course.